I would like to introduce you to my group. We are the more time learners, work learners, and all of the above. However, I think we have solved all of Carbo's problems. If my colleague can just demonstrate for us. As you can see, when the red light is on, that means there is unauthorized access. Tabo will make a turn there and press to deactivate the alarm. So yeah, smart, okay, lovely. Okay, I got to move here. Yeah. So we incorporated everything that we have learned at Think Tank. So we made use of the LED lights that we started off with this morning. Then we moved on with the screen and the sound. You can faintly hear the alarm. You made use of the motion sensor and finally the OLED screen. So yeah, thank you. I think that we could.